In this video, you are going to learn how to buy and own your first NFT absolutely for free. Sounds crazy? Well, it's not. I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process in how to buy your first NFT on the Venom blockchain. So grab a seat, stay tuned, and follow the steps in order to get the same outcome. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to get more videos like this in your feed. Now, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So over in your Venom wallet, you can see below the tab browser, so you click on browser. Now, for those of you who are new to Venom is a scalable blockchain technology who have their own projects and tokens on their testnet because they haven't yet launched on their main net. We are actually anticipating an airdrop by next year, 2024, or the subsequent year. Actually, the potential for a Venom airdrop is very high, right? So I made a whole video on that for beginners. You can check it out. I'll leave the video link in the description below. So if this is your first time joining, you can probably check the series later to get a better understanding. So over here, you click on your Venom tax area. That's the second tab right there. And it brings you to your Venom tax area. So you can see the number of NFTs minted so far. You still have quite a few to go. So you scroll and look for the Numi tax, and then you click on complete tax. So you can see that I've already performed the first two tags. They are pretty simple. You just click on it, it takes you to their Twitter page, and then you watch a video and you tweet about them. There's a generated tweet already. So afterwards, you click on the buy NFT. So it's a bit of a lengthy process, so I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. On the Numi platform, you can see we have the NFT sections and the collection, so you should be in the NFT, right? We have some shirts, shorts, sneakers. Okay, I'll go for this sneakers right here. So you can see here it says buy for 9.99 Numi. That's like a Numi token. So we click on buy and then we connect our Venom wallet. So you just allow. Press submit and then you are done. So we have now connected our Venom wallet to this platform. But mind you, we only have Venom tokens. We do not have Numi tokens, right? So we are going to perform what we call a swap. So quick lesson here, in crypto, when we talk of swap or like to swap tokens, it's self-explanatory. So you're basically going to swap some amount of, probably you have Bitcoin you want to swap for another token like Ethereum, you're going to swap a certain amount. So similarly here, I'll be swapping some of my Venom tokens to get some Numi tokens so that we can make that purchase. So no, let's just make it 20. Yeah, so the thing with swap, it actually includes some gas fees. Not to go into details of how gas fees are charged across blockchain networks. Maybe we'll do that in another video. This is why you guys should be subscribed to this channel not to miss any more important updates. So you scroll down and then you click on the swap, and now you have to confirm. So you just read through the transaction details and you press confirm, and you approve of it with your password or seed phrase. Now you wait a little bit. This is actually a test net, so sometimes things can get really slow, but you just have to be a bit patient. That's the whole idea of airdrops, right? So you have to test the system on the test net before they launch on the main net. I'll forward this for the sake of the video. So we have successfully swapped some of our Venom tokens for Numi tokens. So we just go back to the main page, and now we can go ahead to buy the NFT. So press buy NFT. They have up to 44 different copies, but I'll just be buying one. Approve the transfer from your Venom wallet. I have enabled Face ID or biometrics. You can also use your password or seed phrase. It's all the same. There you go. We have just purchased our NFT and we'll go back to the main page. And now tap on check to verify. Yay, so we finally finished our Numi tax. Took a little bit of time, but it's actually a simple process. So we finished by minting the NFT. It's not too late to join the Venom Airdrop, guys, so I'll leave a link in the description for those who would like to join. Airdrops are literally free money, right? So as a newbie or beginner, you can actually make your first money from crypto doing airdrops. I mean, even the gurus in the space still do airdrops. Finally, we have completed our Numi tax. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss the ongoing series. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.